起床就看到星星很好，哇，我们有很多。上次多少？这是你姐姐的微信，小小的亮屏的。喂你，看。3、5，
用完它
5块50毛，
然后再去按墙吧。
还有60毛，65毛不，5块65毛
35块65。我这里蛮
你要不要香蕉？
因为这个可以吗
OK。
忘记put lip balm。
如果希拉在车里面，我就不可以说 QQ 啦，我说害羞的。
微信。先放这里。
喂你，
没有 GPS，怎么知道去哪里呢？
没有人可以信赖。嗨主，
我们从班的 Baring Road 去吧。
Head south on Kingsford Street toward Sloane Street.
从这个去。
Yesterday, I mocked my mom in the car. Screw her. Because I say, when I talk to my sister say,
In 50 meters,
do you know,
roundabout, take the second exit
Mom,
onto Gahan's
call
Road.
me and then say, you say you're going to buy the land. Then my friend sell the land.
In 50
It's
meters,
good,
continue onto
it's
Bundaberg
pretty.
Ring Road.
So buy from her. And then my sister say, why she have to recommend me? Why she have to to be involved with me? Huh?
Ask you to buy.
Ask my sister to buy. Because my sister just say she gonna buy the land like that. And I know my mom purpose. I didn't tell out.
9 kilometers.
My mom's purpose is want to know that she have money or not, like that. But I also know my sister thinking. She think because my mom want to have the show off the friend that daughter have money to buy her land, like that. That is my sister think. So and I say, then you just buy wherever you want. And then she just talk about mom, blah 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 blah, and she mom, so I ma her back, but I couldn't say anything because when I say one, she already want to fight with me, so I don't say anything. And then she talk about my mom husband. Your mom husband? Yee! So gross. Does it talk to you now? Are you going well together now? She's just like that. And I say no. And then she said, 嘿，很 gross， 很 gross。他来住我们家了吗？他就说这样子。And I say, yeah, sometimes, but actually come a lot, but just like at night only, come dinner and then sleep, and in morning go work, dinner, sleep, and Saturday and Sunday just go live in his house, just like that. But I don't want to talk much because in her, all her thinking just like, because the husband think that I'm rich, and then want to tell my mom, want to persuade my mom like to buy the land, to have everything like other people have. That's what she think. And she say, and then my mom also think that her husband like rich, so can help her, blah blah blah, anything. And then my mom also go to her, to call her, and then say, if I don't have husband in this village, no one protect me, like that. And then I know, I understand that it's true for her also, because last time when we buy the land, like when we fix the land, the husband of the neighbor come and then mama, right? So my mom go talk, they not scared, but when her husband go to talk, they scare like that. So I understand, but I just like respect for that, just only 10%. But 90% I respect him is like, okay, he saved my mom that night, like that. I tell her she almost died yesterday, like that. I just like, okay. And I don't want to talk about money when I talk with my sister, because yesterday, the night that she called me, I asked her, do you still remember how much you owe me? Kind of like joke, because so long already, and I don't like think that she going to return me or somehow. And then she said, yeah, I know, like already mad at me. That's why I don't want to talk about money. And then she said, my mama come and then ask money for me, ask that, ask this. If I have, I give. I don't have, I don't give. But she never give, ma. I know that. And I just like, okay. Then just like talk, ma, right? She say, you are just the only one that I talk to, and with the second brother, because he raised us since we were young, like that. So I just like, okay, agree. And then I understand her point, but I also don't understand her point. Like, not understand, I disagree her point, some point also. And I don't want to talk much because I'm the middle of the person in the middle way, yeah, middle spot. And then I talk to my mom, and then my mom say, why don't you tell your sister? Yesterday I tell my mom like, oh, she go work. Don't just go and then complain her that you stay still, don't work, huh? Don't go like that. What? Don't go like that, I tell her. And she's like, I don't tell anything, but I know she tell. And then she said, why don't you ask her how much she gonna pay, when she gonna pay me? I said, see your mouth. If you talk like this, sister gonna fight with you,
She got no money.
my sister, right? Yeah. And I know somehow she have almost million now, but she want to buy the land. That night she called me, she want to buy the land. I actually want to say that night, if you have money, you should pay back for your owner of your debt. And I don't want to say, because if I say, she's gonna be like, ugh. And she said, if I buy the house or if I buy the land, can I borrow 100k from you? And I say, 100k for you, Anita Ma. I say,
You settle first, and then you save more, and you need new debt, okay?
I say, I don't have money. The thing I have now, yeah, I have, but I don't want to give you because I want to study. And then she said, study why? Why you don't you build your business and have money and then go study? I say, money cannot even prepare for business. I don't have that much for business. And then she said, I also don't have. Yeah, if you don't have, why you do it? And she said, because you have to begin when you are not ready also sometimes. She said like that. And I said, sister, if you begin when you have no money, okay, you have enough for business. Business not go well. What happened after that? What happened after that? Right? When your business not going well, you need to save for 6 months to survive first. And then save for your business first. I like, and then she said, I don't know how to explain for you guys lah. And then she said, if I want to make the grocery store at my home, she said, make the second floor and then have just like 7-Eleven, have barcode, have everything beautiful. I said, I'm not gonna begin with everything beautiful. If I begin my own way, I begin with something more beautiful first. Something that a little bit money costs first. And then if I have a lot of profit, I just like slowly improve my place, my property, right? I'm not gonna boom one time.
But you see, it's like kind of like Asian market here, right? It's not easy also. Like some
Yeah.
people don't buy, you can only like just throw.
Yeah.
Like
So that's
expired,
why
you cannot sell.
I don't want to make like beautiful like 7.
And so like you need to, but you need to have a lot of stock. Then people
Yeah.
will come and like see. If you have
Yeah.
then people like,
I will begin just only small thing, just like first restaurant, noodle restaurant. Everybody come and eat. I know that for sure. And then my veggie, everybody cook. And but my veggie gonna be cheaper than the market. And then I plant my own veggie. And I'm gonna make the sandwich or something for the teacher because teacher they don't wanna cook and it's close to 3 schools there. So I'll begin with something small first. And then the grocery I will buy the rice.
Continue for 1.5
And then I
kilometers.
will sell the rice, sell the fertilizer, pesticide. Why I'm not? Why here so beautiful? Wash out the car. Here is tidy.
I mean they expand.
Yeah, I think they expand.
That one is more like tourist.
Like, I mean, that one could be the first of their company or something, and then they extend here. I'll sell the rice, the fertilizer, the pesticide, like that, because there are so many farms there. And I also sell everything like the grocery stuff, but not the food. Kind of like paper, book,
Continue straight onto
because
Fitzgerald.
this is so expensive at my hometown. And everything gonna begin with small first. I'm not gonna make it perfect. She wants to everything look perfect. It cannot be perfect. And if it's too perfect, like have barcode, she say. Have barcode. Watch out. Put the barcode, make everything. If you have barcode for small stuff, for what? Right? And then barcode, you have to buy their program. Their program already costs a
At the
lot.
roundabout, continue straight to stay on Fitzgerald Street.
Yeah. I tell my mom, do you still want to talk to her? She said, yeah. If you still want to talk to her, you accept that point already. You have to know that you cannot talk about money or something or pressure her or
Turn
something.
left. Take the next left.
Take the next left. They are Shalom Catholic College.
It's called Shalom Market.
In 300 meters, turn left.
And she also say, my sister say like, I don't understand my mom why she want husband now.
At least you
They're
are not there be always beside
Heart
her.
and people heart not the same.
Take the next left, then turn right.
Love tell her that I have you, she gonna be, ah, see what I say, it's true. Blah 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 blah.
She has a Facebook or not? Like maybe she see the phone.
No, she don't have my Facebook.
Ah.
But her friend have. But I don't care.
Like I think she heard.
那个我想吃的菜都是2块5毛。啊，小心，注意啊！这个车比你的车短，对不对？
嗯。
I want to talk to you about. You want to eat the rice with the ทะเลถัง or you want to eat the green curry with ทะเลถัง
So we need to make noodle and rice.
Yeah, if we make the noodle, I mean like if you eat noodle, we don't have rice. Don't need to have the rice.
Rice bar.
Rice is gonna be bao rice.
Yeah.
那 zucchini 呢？要做什么呢？ Have car. Because I plan to cook you the green curry.
Green curry 是 with noodle 的吗？你要这么多东西吗？
I need just only one more. But I need chicken also because 不出给他了，那就 green curry，就出给你就好了。
就虾而已，虾我们就吃 rice 吧。就逼他吃 brown rice 吧，要不然他就没有吃过 brown rice。
他还有 rice 的不是吗？那 mix 包 rice 跟我们的 rice。
OK。可是还是他打破那个盖子啊。
什么打破 ？What does that mean? Push out the car. Okay.
那个翻过的盖子。
哈？This way？
不知道呢。
That way，好。
直走吗？
你的手机在哪？
这边也可以的吧？
Yeah, go. And then turn left.
Turn left.
I turn right.
不可以相信。
Turn right. Turn right. In 500 meter. I need to change this one also. Change to be English. Turn right. Butcher, butcher. I think they all go Sunday market.
เลี้ยวซ้าย
Do you remember the way now? Because it tell you to turn left with the black car. like if I live in mother house, I can done that by myself. But I don't live in mother house anymore. Or even we have our own house. So everything for you.
Yeah, we plan everything that you want. Why mother don't plan man?
Mother don't know how to plant. Every time plant, go plant in the foam box. The foam box gonna keep the water, right? Yeah, the water not go out. And have the soil. Like, this place is the place that we come to settle the car that day, right? Use the vacuum to vac the mouth of the dog. The dog not hurt. Turn right. Left is clear. Like
อีก400 เมตรเลี้ยวซ้าย
in 400 turn left. Mother put everything in the foam box and then Benchi go pee there. And also, if you want to plant in the water, just only the water, but you need to change the water. If you want to plant in the soil, just only the soil, don't need the water. But in the foam box,
เลี้ยวซ้าย
turn left. The water also have. Soil also have. That's why not good.
we come out from the traffic light the junction.
Now you remember the road.
Yes.
So how can I change my Google Map to be?
Why don't you change your whole phone to English? You would just message and then it's like the content you see is Thai.
Okay, I change now.
One 全没有听到 B too focus.
Just like the.
I see it and then I thought it can fly.
Yeah. Oh.
We need to find this today, yesterday video and today video.
Cannot find.
Huh?
Can?
No, the footage.
Yeah, can.
Yeah.
Really?
吃都是臭的。Or maybe the things, the hard things that you have make you have a lot of bacteria until the bacteria make your baby 臭七八臭，臭七八臭。No, I didn't wash it properly. 忘记了这边有车。每一天看到问我检查你的贝贝，都是有歪歪的，都是有white color 的。